In this video, I will show you how to invite friends in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Monopoly Go. Now to invite a friend in Monopoly Go, all you want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner, press onto the friends button just down here. And what that's going to do is bring up your friends and family window. Now at this point, you want to make sure at the top that you've pressed onto add friends. As you can see, we've got add friends timeline and leaderboard. Now, once you've done this, what you need to do is come down to the bottom and you're going to see this green invite button. So all you need to do is give this a press. What that's going to do is bring up a window like this, and you now have two options on how to invite a friend in Monopoly Go. You can either do this through Facebook by pressing the Facebook invite button, in which case you're going to send an invite link through Facebook Messenger. Alternatively, if you wanted to invite someone through a different application like WhatsApp, email, or something like that, you can press the orange invite button. Now, when you press the orange invite button, what's going to happen is a window is going to load up like this. As you can see, we've got an option at the bottom to copy, so we can press the copy button and that's going to copy the invite link. Then what you can do is go into WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger or Instagram or whichever method you want to invite your friend. Paste the link, send that through, and once your friend clicks onto the invite link, they would be invited to Monopoly Go. So that is how to invite friends in Monopoly Go. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.